since I've been to the Met. I used to go there every other week, maybe. I'd always start off at the sculpture section and do some sketches, some favorites. And then from there I'd walk over. I love the architecture of this place. From the new parts and the old parts. This is the entrance from the front. It's Caravaggio, of course. Velázquez. Rubens. These are giant paintings, more Velázquez. It was a little wobbly because I was walking around and had to stabilize it in post. That little jello effect. Really tiny head on this. More Rubens. It's amazing. You could see the layers of paint. All the transparent layers. It's always really cool to look at. That's the old building connected to the new building. This is the new quotes. This is in the American wing. I hadn't noticed these before. Just took some reminders, and then, of course, the sergeants. You know what this is. Scandalous. I heard that he didn't paint with black for the longest time. Until he met, Manet? Like, look at these faces. That's why he got paid the big bucks. Then you get these sergeants, where he just glopped on the paint. It's amazing. I could look at these paintings for hours. And have. It's like a magic eye painting. Look at this. It's crazy. He might have done this from a photo, I'm not sure. And here's that Washington crossing the Delaware. Speaking of Washington, this is the finger pointing room. I call it that because every painting in here has someone pointing. Not kidding. More pointing. Nope, whoop, one more. Then the Rembrandts, and they moved these from the European wing down to the first floor. Well, down to the basement, really. I think I've copied this painting dozens of times. I'd like to paint it one of these days, maybe get a permit. I don't know if they'll allow, but yeah. Look how big his hands are. Old, chunky Rembrandt. Young, polished Rembrandt. That's not Rembrandt. It's Vermeer. And, more Vermeer. Look at this. Soft light. They put all these paintings in the basement now. Before you leave, you gotta pass by the Egyptian wing. Leonardo was there. XOXO. Never watched that show.